Hi everyone, it's Jackie here. I'm going to do a quick show and tell of my craft room. I don't want to say a tour because it's too small to tour, but I will show you where I work at the moment. I'm filming the entrance to my craft room from the room on the opposite side of the landing, which is here, and this is going to be my new working space. Craft room, happy place, I suppose. But this is where I am at the moment. So as you go through the door, you can see here I've got a set of bookshelves, a very cheap IKEA set, just inside the door. And on those I've got my own journals, some are downstairs, some that I'm working on. And at the bottom down here I've got old books. I have to use the floor, as you can see. I'm going to step outside again. This is how small this room is. But I know I'm lucky to have somewhere at all, and I do appreciate it. So there's some packing here, some boxes here with the ribbons, sari silk and such like art. Can see that my Big Shot has to live on the floor, and the shoe boxes here have got bits of fabric in that I'm currently using. And then as we go into the room, you can see some shelving on the wall and my desk on the left, and a 4x4 calyx on the right. And then down here I've got two Raskogs with the one on the left, sorry, I have to think about my lefts and rights quite a lot. The one on the left has got my stamps in, and this one here is full of lace and braids and fabric at the bottom. There's more stuff on the floor here. This is sewing, cotton, bobbins, that sort of thing. And just quickly to let you see what's here, on these shelves, which were put together very quickly by my husband and not actually finished off. I had to move rooms once or twice for various reasons, so they were just knocked up, but they're perfectly functional, as you can see. So I've got the wooden stamps on the top. Here you can see, probably some of you recognise that as Jibid's latest journal, which I'm now the very proud owner of. It's absolutely gorgeous. And on the shelves I've got various bits and bobs. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, mostly stamp pads and glues, stuff like that. And actually on the desk I have my mini sewing machine at the end, and the things that I reach for regularly in the little IKEA pots. Just here is a really old set of drawers, which are really too nice for the craft room, but I haven't got anywhere else to put those at the moment, so they probably will go somewhere else when I move. This side, on the calyx, at the end there, I've got the ink blending pads that I use for the distress inks, and then on the calyx there's more old books, paints, sprays, that sort of thing. As you come down, I've got charms in the top one. These are my dies in this one, and the majority of the rest, well, it's all the bits and bobs that crafters collect and obviously need, and a lot of the stuff down the end here and across the bottom is my paper and card collections. A little bit more on the floor over there, some punches, my envelope, school board. I've got down here under the desk, I've got bins and my tonic paper trimmer, which I use quite a lot, and another set of small IKEA drawers that I've had for years, which just got bits of excess doodahs in. So that's my crafting space. Hopefully this didn't make you too dizzy. I could just do a quick spin round and you'd see the whole thing in one go. I do love it up here, and as I said, I realise I'm very lucky, so thank you, and I'll see you all